Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to make the appears the ruler on the Google Docs. You can see there is no ruler on any side of the Google Docs. So I just need a ruler. So how to get it? Just go to the view option here. Then you can see the show ruler was unticked. So you just need to click on tick. It's automatically you can see the ruler on the both the side, on the top and also on the left side. So you can now adjust the ruler and you can change the page size by easily on the sidewise and also on the top side. So if you want to hide the ruler, then you just click on the ruler view option, then you just untick it. You just click on the show ruler option, so it automatically the ruler will be hide now. So if you click it, the ruler will be appear, and if you don't click it again, the ruler will be gone now. So I think this video helped you a lot about a solution that you are searching for. So if you like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.